In order to replace the battery of the Foxgard, you actually have to open it. There's a screw right here, and it comes with this small screwdriver. You unscrew that, and then it's going to pop out this plate here, and you need 4 AAA batteries. I'll show you. There we go. Replace the 4 and then screw it back on. So now I've replaced them. Just take it back in there, make sure that it's aligned with this little lip there. Push this in and then screw that. Look like that. We're ready to go.